What's up, everybody? I'm going old school with this. I'm filming on a phone like I used to back in the old days for this because GoPros are killing me, man. I just got a box in the mail from Mark. Merry Driftmas. I know one of the items that's in this, and I'm so excited to open it that I just forget GoPros, forget everything else. Let's just get it done. This is big. And he told me not to cut into it too deep, so there's probably something in the here extra that I didn't know about. Apologies for the audio, apologies for the video, but I'm just so excited to get in here and have a look. Oh, bro, what did you do? Check it out. Wow. Oh, little DeLorean. Yep, that's sick. Check that out. That is straight fire. Thank you very, very much. That even looks like it's actually die cast. Bro, that's so sick. Okay, all right. Let's put that over there. Keep cruising, keep cruising. Wow, there's little Honda. What is this one? 1976 Honda CVCC. I don't actually know what that is. I thought that was like an N360 or something like that, but it's actually not. It's just a little Honda. Whatever it is, it's rad. It's an N600. Check that out. That's rad. N600. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Under here, what is this? A Samba in black. There's actually two of them. I'm not sure why there's different boxes. What do we got? What is this? What is this? What? Where did you find that? Monster Truck Hot Wheels of a DeLorean. Connect and crash car. What? I see this is car underneath here, and you can connect them together and crash into it with a monster truck. That's American. That's rad as well. Look at the suspension travel on it, would you? Sick. Now the moment whoa, what's this? Just something floating in here. Is this supposed to be in here? It's a NASCAR. Why is there a NASCAR in here? Dale Earnhardt's car. I know who Dale Earnhardt is. I researched him the other day. Why is this in here? I feel like this has something to do with a comment I made on Facebook the other day. I'll have to message Mark and find out why this is in here. But, yeah, that's a NASCAR. The moment you've all been waiting for. What is it? What was I so excited to get? Don't get me wrong. I'm stoked to get this, all this stuff, but it isn't what I was expecting. It's a total surprise. Thank you for all of the surprise gifts. We're on to the thing that I'm not, well, am I surprised about it? I knew it would be in the box. Let's say that. This is ceramic treated machine gun. No, this is actually F6A twin cam turbo manifold for my carry truck. Mark so graciously agreed to have it built in the USA for me because I had so much trouble trying to find anybody here that would even look at it. Nah, you don't need to do that, some people said. Well, but what if I want to? But what's so special about it? Well, it's heat treated with ceramic, which is really nice. It has that flange on the end so that we can attach this. Now this can go onto the carry truck, and that can rotate so that I can position the turbo where I need it. This is for a GT12 turbo for those playing at home. It's much bigger than stock. Should be looking at 120, maybe more horsepower. Here is the turbo that will be going in the carry truck, hopefully. And Mark was able to design this with pictures and drawings, rough sketches and stuff like that. So the fact we were able to get to this actual, I mean, hopefully functional prototype it's amazing, really. Here's the turbo. You'll notice quite a bit bigger than stock. Goes there like that. Yeah? It's pretty rad. It's pretty damn rad. So yeah, GT12. Boosty boosty. You'll see the video of me fitting this next year. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. There are 2 other mystery gifts that I'm sitting on. One is from Vinny and the band Belushi Speedball. So check out Belushi Speedball on your favorite music platform. Another one is from John in New Zealand, a big fan of Garage K, and I'm a big fan of his. Those will be coming in the new year. I rushed this one through because I figured you'd want to see this. I knew this was going to be in the box, and Mark just decided to throw some extra stuff in, but I thought you'd want to see that. Go out on a hype train, if you will. After I fit this up, the carry still needs an intake manifold to make, well, not to really make all of this work, but I wasn't happy with what I had, so Mark's going to put an intake manifold together for me as well. Yeah. This is the intercooler I'll be using on the carry truck. It is off an SW20 MR2. Again, this is something that Mark sent me. It's large enough, isn't it? It's bigger than a cappuccino intercooler. So it'll probably do a good job, but it won't be mounted at the front of the car, which is why I kind of wanted it bigger. It'll be under the car, kind of hidden. It's going to be interesting getting shuck in with all of this, but I mean, I haven't broken any rules, so it should pass. But yeah, that is the end of this year from me. I would like to put out more videos, but there just aren't enough days. There's not enough days left in the year. I haven't taken any time off, really. A couple of days around Christmas. What an amazing year it's been with getting monetized. Thanks to all of you guys who subbed and watched videos back to back. Some people were like watching for hours on end to try to push my hours up. You know who you are. Thank you very much for doing that. I'm sure you had an impact. Thank you to everybody who left a comment, left a like, watched a video, gave me a word of encouragement this year. Milestones were met. Goals were exceeded. Looking forward to doing more stuff in the garage next year. As you can see, the carry is going to take a step closer to being driven again. The Altezza is sitting outside. Spoiler alert, it's sitting there waiting for me to put the tune on it. And the dash is all pulled apart because I want to put the iPad in there finally. But the engine bay is basically finished. I'm not sure how many videos I've got left to show you of that getting done. We've got more spoilers. I'm fitting one of these. This is a Link can gauge. I'll be doing a review on that. I want to do some more magazine videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. That's a good point that I should touch on. That if you have a comment, if you have a question, leave it in the comments. Don't contact me on some other social networking platform. It makes things complicated. Plus, maybe you're asking a question that somebody else is going to ask, and they'll ask me the same question that you just asked on a different platform, and then I'll be answering the same question 3 times rather than once in the comments. I realize that at some point in the future it is possible that the channel might become so big that it's impossible for me to answer every question in the comments, but I am alerted to them all. If you message me on Instagram, it's possible I won't see it. If you message me on YouTube, because I'm on it every day, yeah, if you send me a comment on YouTube, I'm more likely to see it than anywhere else. To all the people I've pissed off on Facebook this year, I think probably half you, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to do that. The other half, you probably deserved it. there's lots of things to come. So if you haven't subscribed already, do that. It won't be long before the next video comes out. It's just won't be in 2022. I mean, we got the white van, the future of the white van, the future of the silver van, the future of the Altezza. I have another car. I legally own it, but I didn't pay for it. It wasn't a gift. So yeah, it's kind of complicated. It's a K car. See if you can guess what it is. There are a few people who do know what it is. Please keep quiet. Leave it a guess. I want it to be a surprise for everybody else. I'm really impressed with it. Let's say that. Every time I drive it, I think about contacting the person that paid for it and asking if I can keep it indefinitely or if I can buy it. But I also own too many cars as it is, so I talk myself out of that. Luckily, we've got, obviously, the carry truck's going to get some work. The Alto, I mean, it really has to start this year. If the Altezza is finished, I need to direct my attention somewhere else. So that's probably going to be the Alto. I'll start that. I've got parts that I need to show you for that. Kind of similar to this, really, but kind of similar but not the same. We're not going to do the same thing twice. That's a bit silly. But, well, will we? You never know. Yeah, two of the same thing. But if something works really well, why wouldn't you just do it again? So, anyway, I digress. Alto's going to get some love. If the YouTube blows up to the point where I start making like actual livable money from revenue, then the Cappuccino might even see some love. But yeah, that's up to you guys. If you want to go back and watch some of the old videos, honestly, some of them are painful to watch because they're long, drawn out. There's too much detail. It's just not edited enough. But you probably will get to know me better if you go back and watch those. Some of them have only got 20 views on them. So get back there and have a look. So if at any time you're thinking, geez, when's Dave going to put the next video out? Just jump back, load up all my videos and just scroll and click something. Because there's a lot of stuff there. A lot of firsts, a lot of world firsts I did on my carry truck that are just sitting there, poorly named, crappy thumbnail, and long drawn out episodes of me going, instead of cutting it correctly. Super special thanks to Mark for this and everything here. The carry truck couldn't happen without you, so thank you very much. I'll see you guys next year. Thanks for watching. See ya.